average salary of a Scrum Master is 12.5 lakh, with the higher end being 20 lakhs. Being a certified Scrum Master from Scrum Alliance and having experience in this role can increase your chances of landing a job and getting the salary on the higher side. Our Certified Scrum Master workshops are designed so that you get all the knowledge that is required to become a great Scrum Master, and our post-workshop support helps you gain the experience. That is how our Certified Scrum Master trainings are different from other cheaper Certified Scrum Master trainings available in the market right now. So what do you get by registering for our workshops? 1 week of mentoring, 1 hour of Jira training, weekly Q&A sessions. In these sessions, you can actually bring the challenges that you face in your workplace, including your interview questions, and 1 month of free access to our Play Scrum e-learning platform.